Hey guys, you know that I love me some short hair, don't care, and Luvme Hair has us covered, so let's go ahead and keep watching. Hey guys, welcome or welcome back. In today's video, we are getting into another unit from Luvme Hair, and ta-da, here she is. This is the unit that we are going to be reviewing today, and you all know that I love me a short unit, so this is my element. I am super excited. So this is going to be Luvme Hair's brown highlighted water wave Pixie Glueless Minimalist HD lace short curly wig. I did co-wash this. We'll wash it and condition it with the Luvme Hair Renewal System. I'm going to show you what the unit looked like straight out of the box, how it looked when it was wet, how I defined the curls on this unit. With my curly units, I typically do like to wash, shampoo, conditioner, or just co-wash the unit. Just to customize it to my preference. And so that is what I did with this unit. So before we go any further, I just want to go ahead and show you that. Then we'll get into the construction, the specs of this unit, and we'll go ahead and install. All right, so this is the unit straight out of the box. Now, if you would like to wear the unit straight out of the box, that is your personal preference. However, I like to customize my units and to wash my curly units first. So right now I'm just showing you all angles of the unit, and I did go ahead and wash with Luvme Hair's Renewal System, the shampoo and the conditioner. And this is what it looks like completely wet. I'm also going to use Luvme Hair's curl foam. So I'm just putting some in the palm of my hand, rubbing it together, and then just smoothing it through the hair. I'm not really going to define the curls on this unit because the curl pattern is so loose. So I'm just raking my fingers through the hair. No need to section the hair or anything because again, the curls on this are loose. So we're just raking the product through the hair. Now at the parting space, I am using a edge brush just to smooth the hair down. And that is pretty much it for prepping this hair. I'm going to turn it around so you can see all angles of what it looks like wet with just a little bit of curl foam on. And I'm going to let this unit air dry overnight. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and take this unit off of the mannequin head so we can get a better look at the construction. So this unit is 6 inches long. It only comes in one length, only 6 inches, and it's $121.53. Plus, I have you covered with a promo code. SNH28 gets you 28% off this unit and any other unit you decide to purchase from Luvme Hair. So we have 2 combs here in the front. Also, the lace comes pre-cut off. Knots are already bleached, hairline pre-plucked, and we have minimalist lace. So it only has lace right here for a left side part and a little bit right here around the hairline. We also have a comb here in the back and the adjustable straps. I'm pretty sure in the box it does have one of those elastic bands to install in the inside of this unit as well. So let's go ahead and see what else came in the box. All right, so here is the box that the unit came in, and inside, so we have one of these elastic bands. So I'm going to put this on the inside of the unit. We have all of the paper, the security that was wrapped around the unit when I got it. We also have a letter from the founder, Helena. Love me for you, born for you, existing for you, unbox to love and shine bright. Also in the box, we have a purple mesh bag that says love me and has a drawstring top to help store our units. We have a pack of HD wig caps, a wig box label, a little flyer here to unlock some exclusive gifts. And of course, we have this little pamphlet here, has the thank you letter, how to return wig care tips, and common wig issues. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put the elastic band on the inside of the unit. All I'm doing is putting the hook through the loop on the inside of the unit, so on both sides. But I also want to provide you with the specs of this unit. So this unit is going to be 150% density. It is a glueless unit. It is medium cap size. Circumference is 22.5 inches. It's 100% human hair. The lace is pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached. Color is a brown highlight. It is 6 inches long. Minimalist lace, HD lace. Can it be dyed? Yes. Yeah, so that is the construction, and I am going to tighten this up just a little bit, and then we'll go ahead and install. So I'm going to do a voiceover for this install just so that this video is not super duper long. So let's just go ahead and keep watching. Alright, so to install, I am going to use a nude wig cap. The HD wig caps are just way too light for me. I'm going to put the elastic band around the back of my head and place that back comb in the back of my hair. I'm going to straighten the front of the unit, and I am going to go ahead and install the front combs in the front of my hair. And boom, that's pretty much it with installing this unit. Just fluffing out the curls just a little bit, picking them apart. Now I do see this little tab of the lace right there on the hairline. I'm just going to cut that off, and voila. I noticed that the lace was buckling up just a little bit around the hairline, so I'm going to use some Sebastian hair shaper spray. Now this one is not the light holding spray. I ran out of that one, so it is like a regular holding spray. But I'm going to take an elastic band with the Velcro and then just attach it around the back of my neck and pull that up to rest on the lace and let it sit on for about 10 minutes or so. After 10 minutes, it's time to go ahead and remove the lace, and it looks so good. But I am going to take a little bit of Maybelline Fit Me powder, and this is in the color 330. And with an angle brush, I'm going to brush that right there in the parting space, specifically right there where the parting space meets the lace right there in the front on the hairline. Okay, so now that is the end of the install. And she looks absolutely gorgeous and effortless, and I love that I just let her air dry overnight so she was ready to wear. Alright guys, so that was the install, super quick and easy. Now this is a glueless unit, however I did have to use some spray just to spray down the lace just a little bit, just due to the lace was buckling up just a little bit here in the front, and it's probably due to the cap size on my head. You are more than welcome to wear this unit glueless if it fits your head the way it needs to, but for me I did have to spray it down just a little bit. But let's go ahead and get into the pros and cons of this unit. So this curl pattern is just everything to me. So this is a water wave unit, so it's not going to take a lot of manipulation to define the curls on this unit. I do like to wash my units, curly units, before I wear them typically, and so I did go ahead and wash and condition with the Luvme Hair Renewal System and just let it air dry overnight. You all know that I don't like wet hair on my head, and it came out absolutely perfect. This kind of reminds me of one of my favorite units from Luvme Hair. It was like this similar shape and look to it, but it was a natural black one. The OGs who have been here watching my channel know exactly which one I'm talking about. If I can find a picture, because it's been a while, like years since I have reviewed it, I'll put a picture of it here, but it's giving me that same feel. Now this one does come in a natural black. I'm thinking it might be the same one. I'll need to double check, but it's so pretty. I just love the way that this unit looks on my head. So it's longer here at the top than it is here in the back, but it's such a cute summer look. You set it and forget it. That is the name of this unit for me. Set it and forget it. Once you put this unit on your head, you don't really have to do a lot to it. You're not constantly combing it. You're not constantly running your fingers through it. You're just putting it on your head and going about your day and looking fabulous. So I love that about this unit. The color combination is stunning. Here is a close-up of this color. Now I cannot do the comb test with running the rat tooth comb under there because I did spray it down. But as far as the construction of the cap, let's talk about it. So we do have the adjustable straps. We have the elastic band in the inside. We have the combs in the front, combs in the back. Traditional ear tabs, which fit my head very, very nicely. My ears are exactly, the ear tabs are exactly where I need them to be. But for some reason, the lace was just a little longer here in the front as far as lengthwise. And so it was buckling up, which is why I had to spray it down. But other than that, once I have it set with some light holding spray, it's good to go. The unit fits very, very nicely, very comfortable. no complaints there. Now as far as the density, 150%, it's a nice amount of hair on this unit. You don't want much more than this, I feel like, especially in this heat right now. No thank you. Now this is only a left side part unit, so it can only be parted right here in the middle of the lace on the left side. There is no lace over here for a right side part. So only a left side part unit and just a little bit of lace right here in the front, but that is it. Brown highlighted color is gorgeous. Also, if you're not into color, get the natural black one. But this unit is only 6 inches long. It's a super cute short unit. If you like short units, you have to have one of these in your collection, I promise you. But that is pretty much it. That is it for this unit. It's super duper cute. Let me turn around again for you. But of course, the front, side, back, super secure, not going anywhere. Side again, and front. And there you have it, this cute highlighted, brown highlighted Pixie water wave unit from Luvme Hair is a must-have. It really, really is. My mother-in-law is gonna go crazy over this. She's going to be asking for this one. I already know it. But check the description box. I'm going to put everything that you need down below. A link to Luvme Hair's website. A link to this unit. Of course, my promo code SNH28 gets you 28% off this unit and any other unit you decide to purchase from Luvme Hair. Like, comment, subscribe. Send a friend. And I will see you all in the next video.